Within the Agentforce marketing platform, the business user has access to a journey builder capability in the form of this flow user interface. Here, the business user can add their message types, such as sending emails, SMS, WhatsApp, forwarding two-way conversations to a bot or an agent. We can also trigger hundreds of different actions or even trigger into different marketing communication strategies, so into different flows. Here we've got logic controls as well. So this is controls what happens and when it happens in the actual automated journey. In addition, the business user can also use AI data as well, such as this Einstein decision. So using things like frequency and scoring metrics to determine the optimal marketing communication strategy or path to trigger an individual based on something happening upstream within the CRM. Ultimately, the Agentforce marketing platform looks to bring both sales and marketing to be tightly aligned with each other. Because the Agentforce marketing platform is built on the same platform as the CRM, so Sales Cloud, we are able to create, get, update and delete records such as your leads, your contacts, opportunities, accounts. So again, any objects upstream from within the CRM is now available natively to the marketeer.